Okay, now it's clip video clips 2. So, when the body receives a package, whatever the actuator and the motion platforms, the first question they frequently asked is, how should I make the smart wiring? Okay, today the videos is show you how to make a faster study of the wirings and how to make the servo motions working when you receive it, and how to make the fast, smart installation and make adjustment of the values. Okay. So first of all, okay, sorry, there is some of the messy things around my wirings, but I think I'm firmly believe will make me more confident how to make them connected. Okay, because it's a 6 DOF solution, so at least we need 6 drivers of the servos and at least 6 motors. Okay, this is common things every people have to know. Okay, so when you receive our package, you will receive 6 actuators, 6 set of the universal joints, whatever which installed on the upper platform and the below platform. And you will receive aviation plugged cables, which is connected from the motors with the drivers. And you will also receive the cables from the DB25 male to male, because it is connected to the Thanos controller. We already make the firmware to the newest solution now with version 2.07, but we will keep updating before the shipment. And okay, now the first step is how to make the wirings when you get them. So since you know, each of the drivers have some of the key points that have to be concerned. One is the L1, L2. Actually, is for the positive and the neutral lines for the connection, and there is the ground cables for the ground connection. It's new. And there is also U, V, W, and P. P actually is also some ground. So we needed to follow U with the port U, and the W, V, and the W. So it is very easy for all these connections. Just follow the instructions which is displayed on the drivers. And here is encoder driver. So one thing that we have to concern is whatever encoder and the powering cables, you have to make sure that they come into one group, because it is very important in this kind of connection. And for the second thing, you have to make a group communication by these DB25 cables, because we can define the positions or the actuator position by sim tools or some other EN6 DOF software, but I'm strongly suggest you should make the program like this is servo actuator 1, this is servo actuator 2, and this is the last servo actuator 6. So we make the servo drivers DB25 cables connected and use the same group defined by actuator 1, actuator 2, and actuator 3, and the last actuator 6. Now, there is a simple function of the servo test function by the Thanos controller. So you just need to make this pin, the fourth pin on the up, and the last 3 on the bottom, so that the servo system will be automatic in the mode for test. And at the same time, we can rotate. The value will be changed, but at the same time, all the actuator, the testing mode will be synchronizing change. We can take a look at that. If we take the clockwise, the system will be getting lower down, very, very low. Very, very low. But if we turn on the right, use a very fast speed, the motion platform will be also getting very fast. So this is just a factory testing mode, but I do not suggest you to make this kind of testing at your home, because it is really very scary. Okay, this is a short clips of clips 2.